No, I think there's nothing for me. The bag situation more comes from the chef side. Like if I'm like my average chef takes probably 3 pounds, right? So that's six. So you're getting 6, 7 bags dropped off is a very, very inconvenient to try to put that into a walk-in cooler because try to stack, 6 bags, right? It's not as easy as 6 containers. So a lot of my belief is just not so much against the bag system, it's against, not even against, it's just thinking of the end usage. For me, we as farmers so often want to, change the world. We want to do all this. You got to sometimes just remove yourself from the situation. I can have the most beautiful idea, the most priciest price product, I stand behind it. But if nobody buys it, I just have a really expensive hobby. That's really more the philosophy that comes from bags. Absolutely. I see a lot of, like, for example, the salad program. There's nothing, I see a lot of farms doing pea shoots or sunflowers in a bag. They're not that big of a deal. Seeing in someone's home refrigerator, it's no different than getting a bag of lettuce, right? Really. So I'm not so
Yeah.
much concerned about that. It's when you put, a pound of broccoli in a bag, because you're going to get a lot of challenges with shelf life because it's going to sink. You're getting condensation on a larger area, resulting in a diminished shelf life product. So it's more so on that level. It's the quality of the product. Is it going to be there the same length of time? But my focus has always been shelf life, shelf space. So if I'm dropping off, like I have clients taking 20 tubs, like 20, 64-ounce containers. Though the bags, it would be impossible for them. It'd be a mess. It'd be all over the place, right? It wouldn't be of use, and they'd probably drop me, right? They probably wouldn't tell me, or they might tell me it doesn't work, right? So the point being is, as long as end usage and end consumer is in mind, and if you think it's good, then go with it, right? But we've changed our model along the way, and maybe you will, maybe you won't, right? That's the cool thing with this business. You choose your directive, go down that trail, and you never know what's going to happen at the end. And that's what I really like about it. So if you have it, you have the product, try it out. And maybe it'll be like us, where we had certain shells we didn't use. Well, they just became germination shells. So maybe these plastic bags will just become, your pea shoot bag, right? So maybe you'll do a value size, container of peas. Boom, there's a pound bag, right? For $5, done, right? Or maybe that's what you do with your excess to the food bank,